In the previous section, you were introduced to microservices. For this section, we are going to leave that topic for a while and go over to Azure and set things up for the coming migration. Beginning with this video, where you will create an Azure account and activate the free credits that you can use then to test things out. Here's the Azure homepage, where you can click on Start Free and begin setting things up. If we again click Start Free, you see that you get 12 months of free services. By free services, they mean specific services that are provided for free for 12 months, and you also get a $200 credit for use within the first 30 days. I'm gonna specify my email address here. You need a Microsoft account in order to sign up for Azure. Then you can provide the password. Make sure that this password is something very strong. And it's also a good idea to also set up some form of two-factor authentication. And here you are. You can see in the top header that we start with the 170 euros, which equals $200 in credit. That's because my currency is euro, my country's currency. That's why the $200 credit changed to 150 euros. I can provide the email address, a phone number. Let's ignore this company VAT ID. Then you have to prove your identity over phone. You just enter your phone and a message will be sent over to you. And after setting your credit card, you can agree to the terms. One side note here, just because you enter your credit card details doesn't mean you will ever be charged. You won't be charged. The credit card is used for identity verification processes. And as you can see, I will be rejected by Azure because I already have an account. They knew that because of the credit card I inserted, that I'm already using it for another account. Therefore, they blocked me from moving on. So just so you know that this is the only reason why you are providing a credit card here. You won't be charged. You won't be charged unless you upgrade your subscription when the trial period ends.